Hello, good morning students. Today I'll introduce you with the pests. This is a very important topic in entomology. Basically, what are the pests? Pests, they are the organism which damage the crop, which causes decrease in the yield of the crop. Many different species of insect pests, they attack the crop. These pests are capable of causing economic yield loss as well as they totally destroy whole of the crop. Most important pests, they are the aphids. The aphids, they suck plant sap. It excrete honeydew through the cornicles, that is the honeydew tubes. The honeydew, being sweet, is eaten by the ants. The ant domesticate these aphids for this purpose. That is why they are also known as ant cows. The female aphids, they are viviparous and they reproduces by parthenogenesis, as a result of which huge population of aphids they are produced, which are causing damage. They are the serious pests because they suck the sap of the plants. Next important pests, they are the beetles. Beetles, as you know, they have elytra, hardened wings known as elytra over there, and they are the pests of crops. They belong to order Coleoptera and they are the largest, forming the largest order in the animal kingdom. Herbivorous beetles, they feed on vegetables, thus they spoil useful crops. They also spoil stored food grains. Next, another pest is the butterfly. As you know, the life cycle of butterfly, it includes egg, larva, pupa and adult. The larva is voracious feeder. It feeds on the leaves, it feeds on the shoot, it feeds on the flowers. The larvae, they are worm-like and are known as caterpillars. They are usually colored insects, and mostly the butterfly, they are destructive because they feed on huge crops, orchids, gardens. They are useful too as they are responsible for cross pollination. Next, another important individual is the locust. As you have heard nowadays, the migratory locust. Huge damage is caused by them. Where they sit, they eat huge amount of leaves, foliage, and ultimately causing serious loss to the crops. Most destructive. These locusts, they came to India from Pakistan and very serious pests. Next is the termites. As you know, the termites, they live inside the soil making termitaria. They feed on the cellulose and they may feed on the dead plant material, but they have the ability to digest cellulose because they have cellulase enzyme which is produced by the protozoan present in them. The subterranean termites, the most destructive wooden pest in the world, build their colonies inside the soil and they are responsible for huge losses. Major group of insect pest. There are two major group of insects which are post-harvest insect pest. That is the Coleoptera and Lepidoptera. As you know, Coleoptera includes beetle, Lepidoptera includes moths and butterfly. The crop damage by Lepidoptera is with the help of the larva, whereas the crop damage by Coleoptera is done by larva and adult and they feed on the crop. The post-harvest insect pest may be primary pest, that is they attack the intact grains, for example Setophilus, or it can be the secondary pest, that is they attack already damaged grains or the grain products, for example Tribolia. Next is the damage caused by the pest. Insect pest causes damage on stored products mainly by direct feeding. Some species feed on the endosperm, causing loss of weight and quality, while other species feed on the germ, resulting in poor seed germination and less viability. Due to damage done by insect, grain lose value for marketing, consumption, and planting. Now, insect pest attack. Basically, the pest, they cut the root, stem, and leaf. They suck the cell sap from various parts of the plants. They bore into stem as well as the fruits. So, major orders of insect pests are Orthoptera, Homoptera, Heteroptera, Coleoptera, Lepidoptera, and Diptera. These are some of the examples how the pests, they damage our crop. Maybe the caterpillar, maybe the adult. The stored grain also by sucking the cell sap or by rinsing and consuming the food grains. Thank you. I hope the concept is clear. What are pests? How they are going to reduce our crops? How they are attacking the crops? These are some of the important aspects. So you are going to study various pests of wheat, paddy, vegetables, stored grains and sugarcane. So that will study further. Thank you.